guys, welcome to my tutorial again. Today I will teach you how to use MailChimp. So let's start. Welcome to my tutorial. So what is MailChimp? MailChimp is an email marketing services provider that founded in 2001. It has 7 million users that collectively send over 10 billion emails. Through the service each month, it is a web-based application although data can be downloaded and for some features there's an offline application. The company's logo is a chimpanzee and the site includes numerous chimp-related graphics and humor in its website and its communications. The chimp image reflects the light-hearted style central to the company's culture. MailChimp began as a paid service and added a premium option 8 years later. It was originally going to be called MailChimp, but the name was changed after the company discovered that they could not get the domain name. Now let's use MailChimp. Open your browser and go to www.mailchimp.com. Now this is the front page of the MailChimp. If you don't have an account, just click sign up for free. Then need to fill up that to create the account. And if you're done, just click create my account. But now, since I have an account in MailChimp, I will log using my account. So log in. Uh, so I log in. So here it is. Now let's create a new list. Click list. Then as you can see there, I have a two old lists. But for now, I will make a new list. So I will click create list. Then put the informations needed for your list. So for me, I will put work from home training list name and I set my email as a default there. Then if you're done, just click save. Oh, here it is. Now we need to create a sign up form. Sign up form is also a email subscription. So let's build it and design it. From there, I will choose general forms. I will select it. Then now we can build and design our sign up form. So I'm done. To preview your sign up form design, just copy the URL link of your forum and that's the link as you can see here. Copy the link and open a browser and just paste it there. So I will copy it, then I will click enter. I will hit enter and this is the design of my email subscription. Scroll down, as you can see there's informations needed for the subscriber. Now we're done to make our sign up form. Let's try to subscribe. I'll put the my personal information there and I will click subscribe to the list. Almost finished. I need to confirm our email address. So I will check my inbox and I will go to my email inbox. I use Gmail, so here it is. I will click this first email from MailChimp and click yes, subscribe to me this list. Subscription confirmed. So we're done. Now we're officially subscribed. Let's check if there's a subscriber counted to our list. Go to list. Click the name of your list. So I will click this new list, work from home training. Let's check that one subscriber information. And that's my email address, right? jmar00@gmail.com. And then there's the information that I put before. So now we're done. We have create a list and a sign up form in MailChimp. Hope you learned from this tutorial. And for more questions about this tutorial, please email me at jmar008@gmail.com or visit my blog site at rockerj.wordpress.com. Thanks for viewing this tutorial.